case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court issued a landmark ruling in 1996 that put the business of insurance in small towns at the confluence of federal and state law. The contentious case pitted the Barnett Bank of Marion County, N.A. against Nelson, in a maelstrom of conflicting statutes. At the heart of the dispute was the right of national banks, like Barnett Bank, to sell insurance in small towns, a staple of their service that was hitherto prohibited by state statutes. The federal statute was broad, offering an umbrella of permission for these banks to carry out insurance sales, setting the stage for a showdown with state laws that expressly forbid this practice. Caught in this tug-of-war between federal and state control, the case was initially heard in a lower court. It ruled in favor of strict state regulation, effectively shutting down the envisaged insurance operations of national banks in small towns. Unperturbed, the comptroller of the currency championed the cause of these banks, appealing to the Supreme Court for a decisive intervention. The Supreme Court, examining the statutes at play, decided to reverse the lower court's decision. They concluded that the federal statute, specifically relating to the business of insurance, preempts the conflicting state law prohibiting insurance sales by national banks in small towns. The court reasoned that the federal statute's powers supersede state laws, and these banks could operate insurance services without soliciting state approval. Crucially, the court also shot down the argument that the McCarran-Ferguson Act, designed to protect states' insurance regulation from unintentional federal interference, could be used to prevent federal preemption. The judgment clarified that the act does not shield state insurance regulations entirely from federal law. Thus, the Supreme Court's ruling broke ground in the tussle between federal and state powers, allowing national banks to continue their insurance operations in small towns, breathing new life into the bank's services and customers' choices.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.